Today we're going to talk about next steps after submitting a membership application. Now that I've submitted my membership application, what should I do? And before we talk about the next steps for your membership application, I do want to walk through our process, so steps that are required by you as the individual applying for registry membership and the steps completed by registry staff. Our membership application process looks just like this. The steps on the left in the cream are the responsibility of the individual applying for membership, where the steps in green on the right are the responsibility of the registry staff. To get started, you must have a registry account, and then you can decide to apply for registry membership. You will log in to your Wisconsin Registry account, apply for membership or renew your membership, and then decide if you will be sending any documentation. At this point, it is an incomplete application because we are waiting for your permission for us to make changes to your account. The way to grant this permission is either clicking the I have no documentation to submit button, indicating you will not be sending any documentation for this application, or you can email or mail documentation to the Wisconsin Registry. This includes requesting official transcripts, sending a copy of a CPR card or high school documentation, and so on. Once you've completed these steps, it is considered a complete application, and the responsibility turns to the Wisconsin Registry staff. We review all documentation that has been emailed, mailed, or faxed to us and connect it to the registry membership application. We then do a complete file review where we are reviewing official transcripts, high school documentation, training certificates, CPR cards, and preparing for the final data entry. The verification is our data entry step, where we are verifying any new information and reviewing previously verified information. At this point, we also determine preliminary position qualifications and assign a registry career level. After these steps are completed, the membership application is finalized, and you can view and download your registry certificate of achievement. For submitting documentation, you can email certificates, diplomas, high school documentation to support@wiregistry.org. Official transcripts must come directly from the college you attended, so that can be emailed to the Wisconsin Registry to that same support email address or mailed to our office. If you are not sending any documentation, just a reminder to click the I have no documentation to submit button to let us know you are not sending any documents and that we can begin with our review process. To continue with your application process, we need to submit a complete application. First stop is membership alerts. This window will let you know our current processing time, the status of your application, and your documentation pending. If you will not be submitting any documentation, please be sure to click the I have no documentation to submit button to let us know that you will not be sending any documentation and we can begin our review process. If you have any questions about submitting documentation, I recommend visiting Individuals and then Resource Center and scrolling down here to the Submitting Documentation section. The Acceptable Documentation Support Guide will walk you through the required documentation for Wisconsin Registry staff to verify your higher education, high school education, training, and so on. Thank you for watching this video today. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to our team, support@wiregistry.org, or you can call us at 608-222-1123. Thank you.